results look a lot like both the Note 8 and the iPhone X, with a 4K 6:4 display, a fingerprint sensor embedded into the screen, and an even fuller infinity display. If you look at pictures of the Galaxy Note 8, you'll see that Skin has stretched the display on that device to totally eliminate the top and bottom bezels. There have indeed been reports that Samsung may be working on a new form of screen, although the patents unearthed about that particular direction hint at a similar notch display to the iPhone X. Skin's render also shows an under-display fingerprint sensor. Will Samsung want to develop this hardware, knowing that Apple has effectively dumped its fingerprint sensor in favor of a new Face ID system? Which brings us to: will the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 have facial recognition? There is currently no evidence to suggest whether Samsung will or won't push facial recognition as a staple of the Note 9, seeing as the company already has a form of the tech enabled in its handsets. It seems likely that it will try to outpace Apple with its future handsets.